Hello and welcome to my CS50P final project presentation. My name is Jacob Warren Stack and I made a console app Python file sorter. The following are my GitHub, my EDX, and my email. I am taking the course from Regina, Saskatchewan in Canada. I'm recording this video on December 30th, 2024, and this is my project overview. So essentially what we do in the console is we use Python's input method to ask for a path, which we just call the directory, and we validate that as a directory using os.path.isDirectory, and then once we've validated that, we want to list all of the files in that directory. Then we want to sort the files into existing directories, and what we do is we use shuttle move to do this. So we'll take again the file that is listed here and the path which we create from our base path and the extension of that file. So if the file is something like a text file, it would go into the text folder, etc. So if we look over here on the left side of my screen, I've made an extra folder here, a directory just called the unsorted, and I've made a couple of blank files here, 5 of them. 3 blank text files, 1 open document presentation, and 1 open document spreadsheet. These are LibreOffice files. And the intention with this is just to have a less notable, less known extension to show that the program works with all kinds of extensions. So knowing that this is a directory here, I'll get into the use of the program. So the first thing we want to do is call the program, and we do that by python project.py. It's going to ask us for that path, just as I had mentioned before, and the path that we want to use is this directory unsorted. So immediately after pressing enter, or seemingly immediately, it will give us an itemized report of what was moved and where it was moved to, with the exact folder names there of even the ones that it needed to create. In this case, it needed to create all of them, but you can see them here on the left side. In this unsorted folder, there is now an ODP folder with the presentations, an ODS with spreadsheets, and a text folder with all 3 of those text documents. So that is my presentation and project. I hope you can see the use cases of a program like this, and I thank you for paying attention. Thank you.